Good morning, dear students of class 4th. So, as you said, or most of you were saying that you also want the video of lesson 3 kinds of sentences and all the other topics. So, this is the video regarding the kinds of sentences. In the online class, we have done 3 kinds of sentences, and in your syllabus also you will have only 3 kinds of sentences, but actually we have 4 kinds of sentences. Okay, one extra exclamatory sentence is also there, but that you will do in detail in class 5th. So right now you will only do 3 kinds of sentences. Now before jumping into the topic of kinds of sentences, first you should know what is a sentence. Okay, what is a sentence? You have done in class 3rd. That what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order to make complete sense. Okay, which you wrote in the copy, which is this one. A sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order to make complete sense. Okay, for example, John is an intelligent boy. Now, John is an intelligent boy is a meaningful sentence. Meaningful means it is making some sense. It is making complete sense. That is a meaningful sentence. But if I would have said intelligent and is John boy, that is jumbled words. You are not getting that what it is. You are not getting the meaning of it. Okay, all the words, they are proper, they are arranged in a proper order. John is an intelligent boy. But if I say boy is an intelligent John, so you will not understand it. So a sentence should be in a proper order. Okay, in a proper, the words should be in proper order. Okay, to make a complete sense. Okay, that is a sentence. Now there are four kinds of sentences. As I already told you that we will only do 3. Okay, we will only do 3. Now first is declarative assertive statements. ठीक है, आप इसको statements भी बोलते हो. They are simple sentence जो आप English में the English which you are reading, simple sentence, they are assertive, declarative और statement. These are 3 names. अगर आप assertive लिखते हो, that is also correct. If you write declarative, that is also correct, and statement is also correct. Okay, in book it is given statements. Okay, it is giving statements. In book it is giving statements. Why you are getting confused is that I have given you 2 more names, so you can take this also. If you are not able to learn these big words, okay, these big words for class 4 children, these words are also big, so you can go with the statements. Okay, statements, simple sentences, they are called as statements. So the sentence that says or states something, that is why statements. Says or states something, that is why they are called as statement or declarative or assertive sentence. ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट, डेक्लरेटिव, असर्टिव एक ही बात है, ये तीनों एक ही है. अंडरस्टूड, दे आर वन एंड द सेम थिंग. So statement, they are called as statement that says something or states something. For example, the baby is feeling cold. It is saying, it is giving you some information. It is stating that the baby is feeling cold. Her father is a businessman. This is also giving you some information. For example, if so and so example, a girl is there, ABC girl is there. Okay, for example, some fictitious name should be given. For example, maybe Deepika. Okay, Deepika, girl's name. I am telling about Deepika to another woman, that her father is a businessman. So I am giving the information to another woman about Deepika's father. So that is this is also statement. Okay, this is also stating something. Assertives आप ये relate कर सकते हो. Some those sentences that exert pressure on something. Exert pressure means किसी के बारे में बता रहे हैं, वो state कर रहे हैं. That means here the baby है ना, here किसके बारे में बताया जा रहा है, baby. Okay, baby is feeling cold. In the online class I also explained you that a sentence has a subject and predicate. Understood? Subject and predicate that you will do in class 5th. ठीक है, just आप ऐसे सुन लो what is subject and what is predicate. Subject is this, predicate is this. Okay, subject is जिसके बारे में sentence में बोला जा रहा है, subject whatever. Okay, about whom or whatever thing is being said, and in this sentence predicate is whatever is being said about the subject is the predicate. क्या बोला जा रहा है, that is the predicate. Same way here the baby is the subject, feeling cold is the predicate. So exert means it exerts pressure on something, that okay this baby is feeling cold. declarative किस वर्ड से बना है, declare. ओके, declare वर्ड से declarative बना है, declare मीन्स कुछ डिक्लेयर करना, कुछ सेंटेंस जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो कुछ डिक्लेयर किया जाता है. ओके, दैट इज declarative. So anyways you don't go with this because you'll get confused. So आप statements के साथ जाओ, this is easy. So statement, these are statements that state something or say something, simple sentence, and they start with a capital letter. देखो ये देखो, capital letter of the first word her and ends with a full stop here. Simple sentence ends with a full stop here. Okay, simple sentence always ends with a full stop. Now we have two kinds of declarative sentence. The statement can be either affirmative, positive, or negative. Understood? The statement can be either affirmative, positive, or negative. For example, I am going for the party. This is affirmative, that it is giving a positive sign that yes I'm going for the party. Affirmative sign, affirmative also means positive, किसी वो हाँ बोल रहा है, that yes I'm going for the party, affirmative. And negative is other way around, I am not going for the party, deny करना. जहाँ पे आप not देखते हो, wherever there is a not, that means that is negative sentence. So I am going for a party, affirmative. I am not going for the party, it is negative. Okay, now declarative sentence statement in this video. In another video I will explain you interrogative, question, and imperative sentence.